How's she going?
Not bad. Just here for a tune-up.
Sounds good. We'll get you going.
How can I help you today, Mr. Babin?
Hi, I'm just here for a tune-up.
Hey brother, how's it going?
Not bad, brother. How are you?
Good, good. Bike sounded great, man.
Yeah, I just had it in for a tune-up, and then I took myself for a tune-up too.
What do you mean?
Well, I went and got my prostate checked. Oh, don't worry about it, brother. It's not that bad, and we have all kinds of support behind us for Ride for Dad.
Oh, Ride for Dad. Yeah.
Ride!